Hey guys, LadyLibertyStacker. It is Monday, November 25th, 2019, and I'm back to do an unboxing for a cast iron Dutch oven that I purchased online. This is an enameled kind, and there are a lot of players in the market nowadays, but I bought mine from a well-known manufacturer because there's many reasons. The only thing that I didn't get on this purchase, I got a good deal on it for that manufacturer. They had, I think, 40% off or something like that. So I was able to take advantage of the offer, and I initially put the order in through Macy's, and I went through Ebates first as a portal because you get like cash back if you do it. All you have to give them is your name and email address, and they'll go ahead and send, and your address, they'll send out a check when you earn your rebates. They have various sites that they will give rebates on. It's now called Creuset, I believe. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but I went through them because Macy's had 6% off from the normal 3%, but my order was canceled because this supposedly was discontinued from the manufacturer. And I looked long and hard for this size, this color, this manufacturer based on reviews, features, warranty, all that kind of stuff. So at this point in time, when they hadn't charged my credit card, I went, and Friday night when my husband was doing something while we were out, I went ahead and on my mobile phone, believe it or not, did a WikiBuy search, and they came up with Amazon as one of the sites that you could get the best deal on. So I normally don't go through Amazon, but that's exactly what this is, as you can see from the box. But I got a good deal, and I ordered it Friday night, and it arrived yesterday morning, Sunday, at about 10 o'clock in the morning. So we're talking less than a day and a half, and I'm not even a Prime member, so I was impressed by that. But anyway, there's a lot of reasons why. I'm going to go ahead and start to open this. Why I decided to order from this particular manufacturer. And we're going to go ahead and get this over here. Is because of the quality of the item made, but I wanted a Dutch oven where I can make sauces, stews, Italian things, a chili, tomato-based, acidic sauces without worrying about seasoning or damaging my seasoning and all of that. Of course, they sent a lot of packing paper, so a little bit here. And lo and behold, of course, the boxes, I'll take this out of the box. I got a Creuset, and this is the French brand. I hope it was, yeah, it says made in France. They started in I gotta lean over because I'm wearing my GoPro, 1925. And I wanted to get a large round Dutch oven that I can make a lot of different things in. Things that I can't use my normal cast iron for because I don't want to damage my seasoning. I work hard on that, and acidic foods will cut through that, unless, of course, you've had a pan or a Dutch oven for a long time and there are many layers of seasoning on, then you can cook with acidic things. But a lot of my things are restored, and I don't have a ton of layers on there. So I'm going to take this out of the box. I'm going to show you what's in here. Let me go ahead and get this box out of the way. And this thing is heavy. I think they said it was like 14 pounds. So one of the things I wanted was large handles that I could easily grab with oven mitts, because when you're taking it out of the oven or even removing it from the stove, it's going to be hot. If you're moving it onto a table to serve, that kind of thing, it's going to be hot, and you want ample room to grab with oven mitts. Some of the Dutch ovens available had very small handles, and that wasn't going to work. So this is one of the reasons why I went with this. Let's see, it has a lifetime warranty is another reason why I went with it. I wanted to make sure that if the enamel would chip off or something would happen as to things not lasting as long as I'm taking care of it correctly, I wanted to be able to at least get my money back or a replacement or what have you. But this is how it comes. Now, I had a little bit of room to move around in the box, but they do have this box packaged up carefully, and because I'm an online seller, you want to make sure that things inside the box don't move around too much during shipment. But you can see how they have this packaged. We're going to take out the lid. You can see the interior has a light surface, so you can see, and there's a number 28 there, I'm not sure what that means, and it says France. And ooh, is that beautiful? I got a collar, Le Creuset is stamped on here, and they have a stainless steel handle, the newer ones do, where this can go up to 500 degrees without any kind of damage. The ones before that might have been silicone, but they were black, and I think they were heat resistant up to 450 degrees. This one's stainless steel and heat resistant up to 500 degrees. So this is a marine blue, and it matches my kitchen. It's kind of has some green pigments in here. The other ones were more blue, like royal blue, and I just didn't like that. I love this. So far, so good, guys. Now, we open this part of the box, and they give you, okay, this is, it looks like a recipe book, and it's in different languages. And see if I can understand it. Yeah, they have it in English too. But Le Creuset, and here it is. I think there's some recipes in here. We'll have to check that out. And this is the actual Dutch oven. I'll take it out of the box, and we'll see. That's just stuff. Yeah, it looks really good. It's got big handles, easy to really grab onto. It's got, this thing can peel off. I saw another unboxing. It's just they put the sticker on. And then you have, whoops, sticker on the bottom. You can easily peel that off too. And made in France. Beautiful color. I love this. This is marine blue. And it's actually large. It's a 7.25 quart. And I make double and triple chili recipes at times, and I wanted to be able to make sure that I can put everything in here. I want to be able to roast a small chicken in here, have maybe a pork roast, a beef roast, even a chicken roast in here. And I think I'm going to use this weekend when my kids come up. We're going to get together. We're not seeing them at Thanksgiving, so I may use it for that. But I am totally happy with this. Now we'll see how the lid fits onto this. It says it has a tight fit. Very tight. Oh, very tight. Excellent. Now I did pay a little bit of money for this, but they do say you get what you pay for. But I wanted the warranty. The reviews were good on this. Everybody just loves it. 3, you can actually use in cast iron. This is cast iron. Cast iron has even heat distribution, and things in here stay warmer longer with cast iron versus the other methods of cooking, chilies and that kind of thing, and soups. Another reason why I got this is I have a steel or a metal stock pot Revereware, but it's not, I don't think it's stainless steel. It doesn't say it on there. I just assumed it was, but I may get an induction stove in my next stove. And induction stoves attract heat into the cooking devices from the burners below through magnetized. They're all magnetized. So if your cooking vessel will not hold a magnet, it won't capture the heat from underneath the glass stovetop. So you must have cast iron or stainless steel to cook on an induction. And then, if it's an induction range, of course, your oven's going to be convection with a V on that. So right now my stove is fine, but it is approaching probably about 20 years old. So when it goes, I like an induction. And induction requires cast iron and stainless steel. So that's another reason why I bought this, so I could cook on that, on my next stove, when I purchased that. So at any rate, here it is. It was well packaged. It came very quickly, and I normally don't buy from Amazon, but my gosh, it came to their fulfillment center, which is located in the state, one of the surrounding states I'm in, but it got here so fast. I mean, I don't even know if a drone delivered it or not because I wasn't here. I don't think so. I'm just joking. But anyway, here it is. And I will do some future cooking videos using this if you'd like to see it. So leave a comment below or a question below. And I think the video is long enough. I just wanted to show you my new toy or my new purchase. I usually don't get things like this for myself, but I wanted to treat myself. And I can pay for the majority of this with my accumulated cash back.